Hey guys, it's me Jay, and today we are gonna unbox this guy. He's already opened, so he can do this. He can open his jaws like the other raptor. He has this little thing like the Carno. He has the stripes. And if you press this button on his back, he can make noise and open his jaws. Alright, let's get this bad baby. Right, here he is. He looks like a Carno, but he's actually not. It's pretty cool, but you can't move his legs. Let me get the tail out. Right. Here the tail is. Nice and long. Just put it on there. Can do it. Alright, this is a cool guy. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video if we can unbox another guy like this. Peace.